Hello my friends from YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to install a charging port in a USB port. This part is from Altec speaker. I had to remove the charging port and the USB because the USB was on the way, so that's why I gotta remove it. Everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that you cause to your devices. This video is for education purpose only. And also, before you open any electronic device, I recommend to wear one of these. It's anti-static bracelet. It removes the electricity from your body, so that way you don't damage the parts. Okay, we're gonna use this solder station. Is a Haco FX 888D. Okay, it's a little one, but it's really good. I like it. Okay, so also if your kids are around, be careful because they can grab these small parts. Okay, and also we use alcohol, so be careful with your kids. Thank you. Okay, I use this weight to hold this part because it's not easy to hold it and working on it. So the first thing I'm gonna connect is the charging port. Okay, you need soldering flux, soldering wire, and maybe this is the super weak solder. Okay, so make sure your solder gun point is clean always. Okay, so we're gonna use, and also make sure after you install the port, make sure the holes are very clean and these are clean. Remove with flux and wire. Remove the extra solder over there like this, really fast. Don't leave it over there because you can remove one of these lines and then it's gonna be a problem. Okay, so let me see if this one fits over here. So this one is supposed to go here. Okay, looks good so far. So now let's okay. So now let's put some flux. Later we clean everything, okay, with alcohol. Okay. Be careful with the flux because it's so sticky. Okay. Every person have their own technique to solder, but I do this way sometimes. Sometimes I do this, I grab it, see, like this, then I go right there. Okay, looks good, so now let's go to this side. The other side, this is kind of difficult because this one is on the way, the audio connector. So let me put more flux. It's okay. In the end, we clean it very well with alcohol. Oh, it got me a little bit, but it's okay. Yeah, it's kind of difficult because the audio jack's on the way. Put more flux here. Okay, I think that's it. So now let me go in the back. So we need to put some over here. Okay, this way is much easier because because nothing is on the way. Make sure it's kind of flat because we need to install USB port later. I'm still new soldering. Let's say if you put two lines like right here together, this is how you remove it. You see, like I don't know if you see. I'm gonna put. Okay, that's enough. Okay, I'm gonna see this little bit here. The red lines are kind of together, so I'm gonna remove it. It's not easy because it's moving. Okay, so now let me put more. Okay, looks good. I do this just to separate the lines. Okay, that's it. Okay, so now let me check the other side. Yeah, I got it. So now this is the most important, the lines. See the lines over there? We need to solder them, but make sure that don't make connections one to another. It should be clean, okay? So let me see how can I do this, because this thing is gonna move. Okay, I think this way is better. Okay, let's see, okay? Okay, flux. Okay, so now we're gonna go like this. Make sure just a little bit, okay? I think I'm missing one. The last one right here. Okay, now I got it. Yeah, make sure they don't touch each other. Okay, so looks good. Let me try now to check it out with this pin. This is how I do it. I try to see if they move. Looks good. Okay. I have micros. I have an arm scope, a microscope. So let me check if the line is good. Okay. Okay, let me see here. I think it looks fine. Yeah, I think looks like I make a connection. But let me check with my microscope. Okay. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, it's I check it out and it's connected. And so now let's install the USB. This one goes right here. Yeah, we need to clean this because it has some solder. So let me clean this one first. Put some flux. And then Problem is that I have to hold it and clean it. Okay. Okay, now it's clean. Okay, so now it's clean. So now let's clean right here. Okay, let me see. This one is kind of bended, so let me fix it. Okay, so let's check it out now. Okay, let's put some flux. That way helps a little bit to stick it. Also, this one should be flat. Okay. Yeah, much better. Okay, so now I'm gonna put some over here. Hope it doesn't move. Then put flux. It moves, but it's okay. I'll fix it. What happens is that I have a flux and it's so sticky, and when I Okay, I think that's okay. I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna hold it. Okay, the other one. This is much easier than the charging port because it's bigger, the part is bigger. Okay, okay, so now the other side. Flux. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, okay, so now right here. Okay, looks good. So now let's go make the lines. Same thing, flux. Use a lot of flux, but later we can wash it with alcohol and it's good. Okay guys, that's the way you replace a charging port and then USB port. Like I said, this is from a speaker. I'll take a speaker, but so I have the time to show you how to do this. Okay, so now it's ready. We just need to wash it with a. You can wash it with let me put this back. This thing is better. Okay, you can wash it with alcohol. Okay, so what I do is put alcohol and I wash it with this toothbrush. Yeah, we need to remove the flux. Okay, I'm gonna make another video to show you how to connect the speaker, and then I hope it works. But I think I did a good job. Blow it. Yeah, use alcohol. and then the flux come out really easy. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. If you have a channel, I also will subscribe. Leave comments, ask me questions, check my other videos. Have a nice day. Enjoy the summer.